Hey, this is Chuck, and I own a SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was just poking around doing some keyword searches in the Charleston area. So the most popular keyword search is Charleston Tree Service. And I was looking for your company on page 1, which is where most companies want to be. This is the map pack. These first two are just directories, so don't have to worry about those. But this is where you'd want to be. This is where your competitors are: Charleston Tree Company, Palmetto's Tree Services, and Complete Tree Service. And there's some others, but I did find you on page 2. Down here we go, Sunset Tree Service. And you probably know that 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results, which is why people want to be, or most businesses want to be, on the first page up in the top section. But I went to your site, excuse me, just to see if there's some things that you can tweak on your own to improve your rankings. It's, man, pretty sunset, nice picture. Certainly agree with that about referrals. That's totally true. Hopefully whoever did your website is including in your images the image alt tags. That will help boost your rankings as well. So that's something you can easily do. But I want to let you know that if you didn't know, Google obviously is in the business for the end user experience. They want their customers, when they search a term, to find what they're looking for easily and quickly, and it be good, authoritative, accurate information. So they're looking for websites that they can trust. And one of the biggest trust factors is your title tag. So we put your URL in our metadata extractor. This is the title tag that comes out. This is what shows up in the search results under the blue line, or in blue. And that says Sunset Tree Service, obviously. And the thing is that people are searching for Charleston Tree Service, so you'd want it to be congruent with that. Google likes to see the city and the keyword as the first things on your site that they pick up on in order to see what your site is about. And that's going to show up right here. So what you can do, you've got 72 characters to play with here. So what would help you rank faster and higher is put Charleston Tree Service, and then put one of these vertical lines there, and then put Sunset Tree Service after that, the name of your company. This is just a description, so that's good there. The other thing, secondary thing that Google looks at in order to trust a site is the heading tags. And they are looking at that to determine what your site's about and what you want to rank for. And so currently you're really not showing any heading tags, and so you're not sending the signal to Google telling them what you want to rank for. So again, on your web page, we could put it in here, but somewhere up here at the top you'd want to put Charleston Tree Service. Under it, Sunset Tree Service, or best tree service in Charleston area, that type of thing. We can help you with that, or you can certainly do that on your own. So hopefully that's some good things that are helpful for you. And if you want us to help you, just let us know. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.